Malaysia is one of Asia's premier destinations for incredible food, diverse culture, and international events. The whole Medium Ice team has traveled down to cover the 3rd Asia Optometric Congress, one of Asia's most significant optometry events. Matt Young caught up with Mr. Woon Pak Seong, organizing chair of AOC, to find out more about what to expect from this year's conference.
Well, Woon, it's great to be here with you at the KLCC Park, just right by the AOC convention. It's just beautiful out here. Thanks for taking a walk with me.
Thank you very much, Matt and Medium Ice team for covering this event. We are very grateful to have you here.
Hey, listen, I just wanted to mention that obviously also the Petronas Twin Towers are right behind us, and I was thinking about the fact that there's ophthalmology and optometry. Also, they're like twin brothers.
Yes.
And yet they still need to learn to get along. And so there is that bridge between the Twin Towers. So how can we help to build a better bridge between these fields?
I think there's a need for a lot of dialogues, a lot of understanding of each other, what each other does well.
Yeah.
And when that happens, we know that ophthalmologists are good at what they do.
Right.
Surgery, lasers, and so on and so forth. Now, what if we can complement that with the services of an optometrist? So optometrists, as we know, help people to see clearly and comfortably, but we also screen for eye diseases to catch them early so that we can refer to the ophthalmologist for early intervention.
Are there other hot topics that you think are going to be popular here at the AOC? I'm feeling a little warm, so I want to hear about what's hot.
So this is going to be a really hot conference. We have 600 delegates, with 400 from overseas. We have about 60 over workshops to cover just about every other thing.
Wow.
And so this is about fostering the coexistence between the optometrist and the ophthalmologist. And one of the principal things that we're trying to get at is to help our government, each of our governments, to have a clear identification and differentiation between an optometrist and a regular optical center, where the optometry center can do eye health screening as well.
Well, that sounds great. We're about ready to head on back over to the AOC for this great conference, but it's been beautiful. Thanks for sharing a little bit with us out here.
Thank you very much, Matt. Yes, let's go.
All right, pal.
Yep.